For some coiling projects, you may not want the caps on your pine needles. Removing pine needle caps is very simple to do. First, I soak just the ends in about an inch of water for a couple of hours. Then, I used an old palette knife to scrape and pull off the caps. You can use any dull metal tool like a butter knife. I find a palette knife to be ideal. Sometimes the cap slips off in one fell swoop. Other times it takes a bit more scraping. I like to keep the cluster intact, so I'm careful pulling the cap off. You can also place the cluster on a table and scrape it this way. See these two little bumps? If these are removed first, the cap usually will come off easily. All ready for my next pine needle coiling project.